you po sa lahat na mag-join sa kanta. Maraming salamat. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear you've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. Turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you.
Through the years, I can't remember what I used to do, who I trust, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's bitter every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Through the years, through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong.
And know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down.
You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's bitter every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Through the years.
Thank you po sa lahat ng nag-join. Thank you. Thank you guys. Ang haba-haba pa ng ano. Nag-joke na ako. Ay. 28 pa. Hanggang 37 pa. Good night guys.